All right, hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Now, before we get started, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe down below for more content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we'll start off with the key. You have lock, unlock, remote start. You can open up the front or the back trunk and use the panic button. Up front of the Z06, you can see we have all these vents for extra cooling. LED accented headlights all the way across. You also do have the front camera system right up there that you can see as well. Full carbon fiber front splitter. Also in the front, we have these 20-inch wheels. These are 275 millimeters wide, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. You can also see we have the ceramic brake option as well in the front and back. You also do have the carbon fiber side skirts. Huge intake on the side for extra airflow, as you can see there. Z06 badging on the side. In the rear, we have 21-inch wheels. Same ceramic brakes wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires as well. These are 345 millimeters wide, as you can see there. Moving to the back, this one has the duckbill spoiler, as you can see there. Quad exhaust tips in the back. Now you can open up the engine bay by either pressing this button down here or using the key. We'll press the button. And you have all this storage space back here. You also do have a removable carbon fiber top that you can take out and put in the back right here. This is a 5.5 liter flat plane crank, handcrafted in Bowling Green. This one was made by Adam Lehman, as you can see there. So we'll go ahead and close this up. That 5.5 liter V8 is going to give you 650 horsepower. And here's where you put your gas in at. So 93 octane only, easy fill gas cap, as you can see there. Now if you want to open the doors, there's a button right below there. Just press that with your hand and you can open it right up. We'll go ahead and hop inside and take a look at everything. So inside the Z06, as soon as you hop in, you can see everything come to life. You have the Corvette logo here in the center. Beautiful carbon fiber wrapped steering wheel with the Z06 badging below it. You have a few buttons on each side. So this is your cruise control buttons. You also do have Z mode. And you do have forward collision. Below here, you can scroll through your different favorite music stations. On the right side, you have a heated steering wheel, hands-free voice commands. You can drop your calls. You can also navigate the center screen with this scroll right here, so you can go up and down, left and right, and press enter. That'll control that center menu up there. You also do have carbon fiber paddle shifts behind the steering wheel, so you can downshift or upshift through the gears. You also do have heads-up display, so all of those adjustments are up there. You can turn the brightness up or down, change the information, and move the heads-up display up and down. AC vent right above that. You also do have an electronic parking brake, automatic windows, and the mirrors will fold in if you push this button. Cool thing about the mirrors is you do have blind spot monitoring in them. So that little car right there in the corner will light up orange if something's in your blind spot. This is a 3LZ, so it has the Bose Performance Series audio, as well as memory seats. You have two different settings with an exit setting as well. This one is in this beautiful tan accented interior, so you can see all the way around. We also do have the competition bucket seats. So they're kind of this cloth material with leather. Holds you in nice and tight in the vehicle if you're planning on using it at the track. You also do have carbon fiber behind the seats as well. And you have the Chevrolet logo embossed in the headrest. Beautiful Alcantara roof with those tan accents stitched inside of it. If you want to remove the roof, there's two handles on each side. So you just pull on this one, pull on that one, release right here at the back, and it'll pop this roof out for you. Now this one's carbon fiber, so it's going to be really easy to remove, which is super convenient. Also on the doors, you have your lock and unlock. This is how you open up the door. So you push that button when it's unlocked, and that'll open up the car for you. Now, there's another way to get out. If your battery dies and you need to get out, you can pull up on this lever and it'll let you out as well. A little bit of storage on the side. You also do have 2 cup holders in the center. This is your shifter, so you push for P, pull back for reverse, push for neutral, pull back for drive, and you have M for manual mode. So in that manual mode, you're going to be able to downshift and upshift through the gears using the paddle shifters. Big infotainment screen in the center. You do have your volume adjustment up here as well as a home button. And there's the stainless steel start button as well. This is your traction control. You also do have front lift, so you can lift the front end of this vehicle up and down to get over bumps. And you do have your front camera system so you can see. You do have the mode selector, so you can toggle that to the left or right to toggle through the different modes. I believe the modes are Tour, Sport, Track, Snow, and Ice. You also do have the rear view mirror that does turn into a camera when the vehicle's cut on, with a bunch of different settings in it. OnStar buttons at the top as well as hazards, and you do have lane keep assist as well. You have 3 different garage door openers on this side. And going down this cockpit-like interior, you can turn your heat up and down on the driver's side. You have a heated seat, cooled seat, and all of your AC controls right here, fan speed, as well as power. This is the passenger seat controls, so you have heated passenger seat, cooled passenger seat, and you can control the passenger AC settings. To open the glove box, you have a button right here. That'll give you a little bit of storage space. Same design on the passenger door with the Bose Performance Series audio. And you do have the stainless steel with tan accents all the way around as well. Coming to the middle, this is your center console. You have a couple of phone hookups inside of there, as well as a wireless charging pad right here for your phone, and more Corvette Z06 badging. You do have the rear glass so you can see the motor back there. But really nice interior. Gives it a really fighter pilot cockpit kind of feel to it. Super cool. But we'll go ahead and hop out, take a look at some more stuff. Let's be careful getting out. All right. So you do have the front trunk as well. To open that up, you can use the key, or there's a button down here to open it up, as you can see there. We'll just go ahead and use the key. So that'll open up this front trunk right here. Gives you some more storage space, and you do have your coolant reservoir right there as well. We'll go ahead and put this back down gently. Don't want to touch the paint. All you have to do to close this is just push down on it and it'll automatically close itself. This one has the carbon fiber mirrors as well. And the same thing for the back. So if you want to use the key to open up the back, you could just press down gently and it'll close right up for you. This is a coupe, so you can see through the back glass the motor right there. There is a convertible version that'll allow you to have a hardtop convertible. But absolutely beautiful, aggressive looking vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look at the window sticker and see how much it costs. So this one's a 2024 Corvette Z06 Coupe 3LZ. Black with a natural interior, 5.5 liter V8 with the 8-speed dual clutch transmission. Base price of the 3LZ is $123,650. This one has all of these options on it. You get 15 miles per gallon combined, 12 city, 21 highway. And here's the whole window sticker if you want to pause it and take a look at it. But we'll take one last look at the outside. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the Z06. But that's pretty much it for now. If you guys enjoyed watching, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below for more car content. You'll also see some more videos in the corners here. If you see anything that interests you, make sure to click on those as well. But that's it for now, and I'll see you guys next time.